Hi, I'm Clifton from NextInnovate Support, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Hangouts Meet, Google's video conference solution available in your company. And it's fairly easy to use, so let me show you. There are several ways how to set up a video meeting. To start a video meeting right away, you can go to meet.google.com, click on Join or Start a Meeting, give it a name. And make sure that your microphone and your webcam are already set to go. Click Join Now. And then you'll get this pop-up with the special URL to your video meeting, which you can share with the participants or your colleagues, anybody you want to invite to attend your meeting. You can also copy the joining info by clicking here, or you can add people by entering their name and email address here. You can also schedule a video meeting right from your Google Calendar and invite participants by adding them to your scheduled Google Calendar event. Just click on Create, give it a name, and make sure that you click on Add Rooms, Location and Conferencing. Click on Add Conferencing and choose Hangouts Meet and save. If you are in the Google Calendar Event Edit page, make sure that you click on Add Conferencing and choose Hangouts Meet and then save. To join your video meeting, participants can click on the link that you sent to them, or they can open it through their own Google Calendar and click on this link, Join Hangouts Meet. And if someone outside of your company is invited to attend your video meeting, they can just click on the link, and when they grant access to their webcam and their microphone, they can type in their name and they will click Ask to Join. And then, as you can see, they will need to wait until somebody inside of the video meeting will grant them access by clicking on Admit this person to the meeting. Another thing I want to show you is that while you are in the video meeting, you can share your entire screen or maybe a specific tab of your browser to everybody in the video meeting. Just click on Present Now and then choose, for example, your entire screen, and then everybody will start seeing whatever you are presenting. Great for presentations. There are also other ways to start or join a video meeting, for example via the Hangouts Meet app if you are using your phone or your tablet. Please check out Google's extensive guides and tutorials on this, and also on using Hangouts Meet and all its features. Just go to support.google.com/meet, and here in the introduction you will find different sections that you can read. Click on Get Hangouts Meet Training and Tutorials, and here you have the Hangouts Meet Training and Help, everything that you need to get started. Check out the quick start guides, prepare how to use your Hangouts Meets, check out different ways to join and even set up bigger collaborative video meetings, and learn some productivity tips. And if you are having any troubles using Hangouts Meet, we are always glad to help. Just drop us an email at support@nextinnovate.com.